Hi, Miss Casa. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. I'm Janice Bernesa Casa, 34 years old, married, from Matlong Lambang, Banga, South Cotabato.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 3 kids. One boy, age 14, and 2 girls, age 17 and 11.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 brothers and 4 sisters, and I'm fifth in my.
Okay, so you're the fifth child. Can you tell me about your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. My work experience is in Kuwait for 2 years and 3 months. From April 2016 to February 2019. My duties there is helping cooking, grocery with my madam, washing dishes, ironing, and washing clothes. And the most task is take care of 1-year-old boy.
Do you also do the cleaning of the house?
Yes, ma'am, I clean the house. And also I work in Malaysia for 4 years and 3 months. From February 2020 to June 2024. My duties there is cleaning the house, cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, cleaning the car, gardening like water the plants, and I take care of pet, 2 dogs, 1 small and 1 big, and take care of the 4 kids, 7 years old, 4 years old, 1 year old, and later got newborn baby.
Okay, so did you finish all your contracts?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm a hardworking person, obedient, honest, and loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad for financial support of my kids' studies and in the future.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I want to encourage them to play or reading stories about the bad, naughty kids.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and good day.